Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can select Times New Roman font in Microsoft Word Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Office application on my mobile phone. This one. Open up the Microsoft Office and then I'm going to create a new Word document. So I'm going to click on create right here and we're going to choose Word. Okay, and I'm gonna start with blank document and then I'm just going to type in something right here. For instance, I'm just going to type in Times New Roman. Oops, sorry. Okay, and if you want to change your font, you can go to the home menu and select font, but before it you can select your tags like this. You can double click on the tags and then you can drag the cursor like this until the tags has been selected and click on this little arrow. Okay, and make sure you select the home tab because here we have some tabs. Make sure you select home and you're going to go to the font menu. As you can see, my current font is this one, Aptos. And then if you want to select Times New Roman, we can scroll down until we find Times New Roman font. Okay, you can keep scrolling down until you find this Times New Roman font. Okay, make sure you have internet connection to download this font. And after that, the font will be applied to your document. Okay, and here you can change the font size. Oops, sorry. Let me click on Times New Roman. All right, and this is the final result. And after that, you will be able to type in Times New Roman. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then you can continue the editing on your document in Microsoft Word mobile app. Okay, let me just close it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to select Times New Roman font in Microsoft Word Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.